The way is the center and refuge of all things. It is a treasure for the wise and a shelter for the unwise. Although refined words can win honor and fine deeds can win rewards, the way does not waste the unique gifts of those who are not refined in word or deed. And when a great leader is chosen, rather than race out and offer wealth or fine words, let the balanced way be his or her offering. Why was the way honored in ancient times? Because within the way, when you seek, you find. And when you make mistakes, you find forgiveness. This is why it is the greatest treasure under heaven. Act without acting. Do without doing. Observe the small within the big, and handle things while they are small. In the universe, things begin small and easy. Thus evolved ones study the difficult while it is small, and find simple steps within what appears complicated. They direct energy to the most receptive area and return kindness for any ill will. By not being overwhelmed with great things, the sage can get things done. And since the sage does not think of things as too hard, she or he can do all things with equal ease.